Okay guys, I look a little frazzled. Yeah, I can't really pull my hair back by myself, and Ashley hasn't been home. As you can see, update on this crap. Yeah, so we're back in a cast, but got the new exhaust on the Aprilia. Let's see what she sounds like first startup. Here we go. Sure doesn't sound like an inline four. Yeah, we might need the DB killer. We'll see once we get her out on the road. But adopt, don't shop, guys. We'll catch you on the flip side. Later.